In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Sendwave Wallet effectively, whether you're new to the app or just looking to get a bit more confident with it. This guide will help you navigate each step with ease. Let's start with opening the Sendwave app on your device. Make sure your app is up to date to avoid any potential issues down the line. Firstly, once you've opened the app, you'll need to input your essential details. This includes your full name, email address, and phone number. Additionally, the app will ask where you plan to send money first. Providing accurate information here ensures smooth processing for future transactions. Next, you'll move on to setting up your recipient's details. Choose the recipient's country and enter their information. Here, you'll specify the amount you wish to send as well as the amount they are to receive. Watch the currency conversion if applicable. It's always a good idea to double-check this information to prevent any transactional errors. Once you have all the recipient's details ready, click on Continue to proceed with the sending process. This will guide you to select your preferred payout method for your recipient. You'll need to provide specifics such as the recipient's first name, surname, and mobile number. It's important to ensure the phone number is typed correctly and confirmed to avoid any mishaps. Upon choosing the payout method, you need to select the country where the money is being sent. Being precise here is crucial for the success of your transfer. After making your selection, click on Continue to advance to the next step. Here, you'll be prompted to add your card information. The app ensures this process is secure, but always safeguard your details. Once the card information is entered, click on Save. This step allows Sendwave to remember your details for future ease of transactions, although you can always update them when needed. If prompted, add your address information. Ensure you complete these details accurately, as it can affect future utility communications or verifications. When you've filled out all the necessary sections, complete this by choosing Finish, marking the finalization of your input details within the app. At this point, the app will ask you to choose your reasons for the transaction. This segment can be essential for both transaction records and clarity on the purpose of sending money, making it another important point to handle with care. Finally, after all these steps are completed, confirm the transfer. This confirmation step will usually summarize the transfer details, giving you one last chance to verify everything is correct. Once confirmed, your money is on its way, and that's it. Using the Sendwave wallet becomes intuitive with just a little practice. Don't forget, the customer service options within the app are there to help if you encounter anything unexpected. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide makes your experience with Sendwave seamless and enjoyable.